Hello everyone, welcome with this additional of today's newspaper on April the 30th on a Tuesday 2020. We have Sudoku at 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic puzzle. Total of 6 puzzles to go to solve. So let's get hurry and let's get started. Alright, with this Sudoku 1 star, let me see. Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7, should be this one. Then in this row, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. 2 boxes left for the 6, this one or that one, but I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then and this, the 5. Another 5. Nine in this column, 9 in that column, so the column next, the only place for the 9 should be here. Two, three, and 9. So this, yes. In this column, 4 missing numbers. The missing numbers are the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 9. I see here the 2, the 3, and the 9. So 1 box left for the digit. 4 should be here. So the 2, the 3, and the 9 should be here. Do not know in which order. Here we have 2 missing numbers. The 8 and the 5 are missing. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. In this column, 4 missing numbers. 2 of them are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 here, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 numbers boxes. So the 4 and the 6 goes there. That means the other 2 numbers are the numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2 are missing. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 should be here in this big square. I marked them easier for me right now because it could be a tough one. Sudoku at 1 star. Alright. The 1 we have in this column, so these 3 numbers cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or there. How about these 4 numbers? No, I cannot. The 2. Yes, 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 numbers, the 9, the 4, and the 7. 9, 4, and 7. Yes, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about the 6, the 4? 4, 5, 5. Yes, we have a 5 in one of those 3 boxes of this big square. So we have a 5 in this column, a 5 in the first column. So the column in between, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. These 3 numbers are the numbers 2, 3, and the 9. That means 1 box left for the 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 and 3, 4. The 6. Well. 7, 7, 7. I thought this was easier than the 4 stars, but I think I need to mark some boxes because it's taking me too long. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the 1 should be in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 1 here, so 1, 1. How about the 8? 8 in this row, 8 in that row. But we have also an 8 in this column, so the 8 should be here. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 9 are missing. 9 should be in one of these 2 because we have a 9 here. 5, that means in this column should be the 5 in those 2 boxes because we have a 5 here. Can I do something with the... No. 8. 4. That means those two boxes could be the 4. 5 and a 1. 1, 6, 2. Let me think. And that's T. Look. T for 2. Yes. All right. 2, 2. The 4. I think I'm stuck. We have a 5 here, so these two should be the 5. We have the 9 here, so these two should be the 9. And then the 1, we have a 1 here, so these two should be the 1. Oh, 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the last row. This should be the 1. 9, 5, 9, 5. We have a 5 here, so this should be the 5. This should be the 9. Then 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. This should be the 4. 2 numbers left in this row, the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, 7 and the 6. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. Here also 2 numbers left, the 8 and the... We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the other number should be the 3. We have a 3. So these... Oh, we have an 8 also. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 8 should be there. So these 2 numbers in this column, the 7 and the 6 are missing. We have a 6 here, so this should be the 7. This should be the 6. This should be the 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 9 and the 4 are missing. The 9 and the 4. Then the 9 and the 4. How about these 2 numbers in the last column for the numbers 1 and the 7? We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. We have a 1 here in this row, 1 in the second row, so the third row. The only place for the 1 should be here, because we have a 1 here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. I do not know in which order. How about these 2 numbers, the 6 and the 3. 6 and the 3. 4 and the 9, we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 4. 4, that means these 2 in this column should be the 4. 1 digit is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. We have a 7 here, 7 there, so this should be the 7. 4 and a 5 are missing. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. This should be the 5. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be the 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 3. 6 and a 3. We have a 3 here, so this should be the 6. This should be the 3. We have the 3 and the 6 left. The 3 and the 6. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and a 6 are left. We have a 4 here, so this should be the 6 and this should be the 4. Finish in 50 minutes exactly. Alright, could be faster anyway. Sometimes you get a hard one with the 1 star if you compare with the 4 stars. Anyway, thumbs up if you like, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. Alright, bye bye.